And here begins phase 2 of the blizzard of 2011. Still trying to dig ourselves out from the first one we had last month. Called for 2 to 4 inches today, but look at the radar screen. We're expecting an accumulation of another 12 to 18 inches through tomorrow. See all that crap blowing off the roof there. Yeah, good luck there, buddy. That's not going to make any bit of difference. Yeah, here's Weatherbug showing the radar map in full detail here. You see it covers most of Indiana, Illinois, parts of Ohio, going up into Michigan right now. Almost a couple hours later, and it's really starting to come down heavy now. And the storm is now in full swing. Yeah, wind gusts over 20 miles an hour out here.
Message received. And are you
updated map on the Doppler here.
That's affirmative.
See a lot of pink stuff there. It's actually further south. It's all freezing rain and sleet.
159 to the curve. Got it.
Kind of coming up this way. Hope it didn't really hit us. Temperature 15 degrees. Wind 21 miles an hour to the east. Yeah, still pretty breezy out here. My wife reminded me that tomorrow just happens to be Groundhog Day, and I'll tell you, if that little rat happens to see a shadow after all this, I'll eat my own foot. Here we are 12 hours later, and here is the end result. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still coming down. At least the wind's died down a little bit. And here's what the radar map looks like this morning. Looks we're finally seeing the tail end of it come through Illinois. Hopefully we'll get here soon.